Welcome back. This is Dave Espino with the Info Boss channel, where we show you how to sell your info like a boss in online courses and information products. So today I have a great question all about the online course business, and it is, are there any people who became ultra wealthy from creating and selling courses online? If so, how did they do it? I've got a great answer for you. You see, the online course business has been very traditionalized into the online course marketplaces, such as Udemy.com, Skillshare.com, Lynda.com, and all these other marketplaces. But there's a much better way to make money with online courses than that. And it's by creating a sales funnel for your online course and marketing the heck out of your course, and of course selling that course for a higher ticket than you would on a marketplace, offering a lot more value so that you can charge a higher ticket for it. The primary way that this is done, and all kinds of people are doing this right now, is through developing a sales funnel. Now, I'm not going to get into details on how to set up a sales funnel in this video, but suffice to say that when you set up a sales funnel, you can affordably drive paid traffic into your funnel and then filter those people out so that the top people that are the most interested in your course will be buying from you. And that's the process of a sales funnel. Now, sometimes a sales funnel involves a warming up process where you're warming up that person to eventually buy from you. And this allows you to leverage your time and leverage your paid advertising dollars. So basically what you're doing is you're paying a small amount of money in to buy ads, and you're receiving a large amount of money back in course sales. And if you do it all correctly, you can stand to make a fortune selling online courses, basically meeting the demand for information that's happening out there every single second. Did you know that every second that passes by, there are 40,000 searches happening on Google? All these people are looking for information. They're looking for information that you could be providing in an online course, and that's 40,000 searches per second, every single second that passes by. So how do you do this? The best way I can share with you how to do this is I recommend that you get this free book. It's called .com Secrets. This book is kind of the Bible about sales funnels, how to market anything online, but the perfect product to market online is an online course. And that's what this book is going to help you with. So if you have a question about like how do you build a sales funnel for an online course, this book is filled with that information. It's powerful and it's free. I'm going to have a link to it below this video, but you can also go to daveespino.com/.com secrets and get your free copy of this book. It's going to be shipped to you, and it's going to show you everything you need to know to become financially free selling your own online courses. It's a powerful, powerful book. It's probably my best recommended book of the year, if not the last 10 years that I've read, because it shows you strategy and it shows you step by step what to do to sell anything online. But like I said, the perfect product to sell with a sales funnel is an online course. So you're in the right place. Get this book. It's free, and the link is down below this video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.